Guys, we are witnessing the very ball here. This is what's gonna knock down our deer today, hopefully. We'll see. This is the flintlock we'll be using today. Beautiful gun. Alright guys, what is going on? This is Outdoor Tech. It is, I don't know if y'all could see, wait up, January 1st, 2024, first day, first morning. It's 8 o'clock exactly, and this is the first time I'm ever kind of hunting this swamp. I'll give you guys kind of a 360 view that we got going on here. But a lot of the times, this is like prime bedding area right in here. And I'm just kind of banking that, you know, these deer, they come out of these hemlocks, and, you know, I might get an opportunity right in this area. But I'm really banking on getting one like right in there, so. And if I get lucky, also in these back hemlocks, I might get an opportunity, but, you know, pretty much I wasn't expecting this nice little snow dusting, but, you know, that's gonna help me out being able to see deer movement all throughout here. And, you know, it's gonna be an all-day sit. I'm sun up to sundown today. I really just want to, you know, get a deer flintlock season, favorite time of the year, and, you know, it should be a good morning. We'll see how it goes though. Let's on do it. It's around 12:42, you know, maybe been sitting around 4.5 hours or so. Absolutely nothing. Feet are starting to get cold, so we're just gonna be doing a little bit of some deer stalking here, you know, with the good old flintlock. I don't know, I think, you know, tomorrow morning I might hunt this spot. So I don't know if I, you know, necessarily want to, you know, walk in that direction, blow up those woods, because, you know, I don't want to, you know, have total lack of confidence tomorrow. But I might walk in this direction and just, you know, oh my God. I literally, 3 deer. White tails, that's all I saw, but whatever. I mean, you get that feeling right now that if I just stayed up in the tree and waited another 2 hours, when, you know, those deer are within 50 yards and then they come in the swamp for the evening. But, you know, it's just this time of the year, it's tough, but just gotta keep on getting after it. Whatever. Ugh, that's disgusting. I even got in range. He just saw me before I saw them. Whew, that'll get the heart going. Well, guys, that was kind of chaotic. I mean, whenever it's with the flintlocks, it's like you don't know if you got it or not. 2:30 in the afternoon. I think I hit it. I mean, like, you know, just from the split second of looking at it, it seemed like, you know, it kind of looked, I don't know, just, you know, I've already missed deer with the flintlock where you see the smoke cloud and nothing, but this thing kind of like when I shot, it seemed like it might have been impacted by, you know, the ball. So, you know, we're gonna just play it conservative though, just give it like, you know, 30 minutes, you know, walk up to the spot, you know, look for blood and everything, all that good stuff. But, you know, pretty much these hemlocks, guys, there's so much like of this like mossy carpet that I was able to just kind of get up on these guys. I saw them about like maybe 75 yards, and I sat my ass right on this tree. I'm like, I am not gonna, you know, go after them any closer. I'm just gonna stay put, and no 15 minutes later do they actually start walking in the field. But then they circled around towards me, like they circled. They went to the field, but then they started walking this tree line. And the first three I didn't even film because the way I was sitting on this tree was they were on like my back was facing them and I couldn't turn around. If I would have turned around, they would have saw me. But I got lucky on the last two. They actually came in closer too in these hemlocks, and you know, I got a solid shot. I mean, there's an experienced flintlock hunter that deer would be down. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. Again, you know, just always working hard during this time of the year, but hopefully we have some blood and, you know, this hard work pays off. It'd be a heartbreaker if we missed. As I'm seeing some white deer hair here. We got deer hair. What else do we got here? Just kind of circling here. Oh. I don't know if you see this, but I believe this is one drop of blood here. Oh yeah, it's blood. Right now, oh guys, look at this. That's blood, baby. Okay, good. Blood. Let's see. Oh, guys, look. That's blood, I believe. See that? Blood right on this stump. Blood and a little bit of hair, so hopefully he's struggling. Oh, guys. Oh, blood there. I think I see him. Yep, blood. Blood. Let's go, baby. Look at that. That's a solid doe, too. That is awesome. Yep, guys, look at this. Right in the vitals there. Through the shoulder blade. That's kind of literally where I'm aiming for. You know, with those 50 cals, man, they do damage. So, just aiming center mass. Nothing crazy, but... Guys, 2024, first day. What a freaking memory, man. First deer, second deer with the flintlock. First deer of the new year. Again, this is my first ever deer that I kind of quote unquote stalked. Again, I was able to kind of, you know, I was able to see him from like 70 yards. Again, the ground's still very soft. And I just sat my ass down. I did not want to, you know, rush anything. And, you know, sure enough, I was just being so patient. Again, guys, I was, I'll show you. I was like, so like, for example, I'm like sitting on this log. This is what I was doing. And the deer were walking behind my back. And the first two, they saw me. So I was not going to like turn around because they would have blew me up. So, you know, I just patiently waited, you know, turned around, and then when those last two came, I got lucky. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. I got the opportunity, made it count, and I was kind of nervous because, you know, when I was filming the first initial like blood, it was like very minuscule. I saw white hair, but, you know, sure enough, as long as you hit them with the 50 cal, man, they're going down. As long as you don't hit them in the guts, but man, that is awesome. And again, no more than 100 yards. Let's go clean this deer and get some pics. Well, guys, this is the doe in its entirety right here again. Right through the shoulder blade. Probably, you know, 35 yards. But again, you know, it's like you don't see the hard work that goes behind these videos. You know, waking up at 3 a.m., driving up to my cabin, just working hard, and just... feels good to get rewarded. You know, there are several times where it's like, you know, you go out in the woods and you see nothing, but it's moments like these where it just all pays off and just keeps you on coming back out into the woods. But again, just beautiful doe. And again, with the 50 cal flintlock Renegade, just super thankful. You know, now it's just time to, you know, clean this deer, drag it up to a field, get the four-wheeler. This is going to be a sucky drag, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm probably, maybe 3/4 of a mile away from where I gotta go. Not too bad, but still gotta get moving. So again, beautiful freaking deer though. Awesome, let's do it. getting cold. 10 out of 10 bag, guys. Little mystery ranch. Believe it's called an Urban Assault. I love this bag though. Everything just like fits perfect. And I am not sponsored, by the way. I just bought it with my own money. I like it. All right, got the microphone, camera gear. Hopefully this doesn't fall out. I'm gonna take this sucker real slow.